favorite one. Okay. Thank God I have dogs. And for my soda. Coke. I'm really upset that I just lost a whole bunch of food in my mouth. Okay, let's get to business. Poor man's food. Poor man eats with eats. So, bye-bye utensil. Next time I'll do a glass bowl. I'm sorry my double chin is so bad. I gotta go to the gym. You heard that? Okay, why is this like so hard? Not bad. Look at that. Kinda inappropriate. Oh, it's burning my fingers. It's burning my fingers. Mm. What I should do? I got a really good idea. I'm gonna use this as a vessel. Got my potatoes with butter. Got my sour cream. Got my mac with tons and tons of barbecue sauce. Got my beans. I got my mayo. Mm. 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 Bomb.com. Wow, this is good. Mm. I'm so happy right now. I'm in heaven right now. So good. Mm. Alright, let's try a hand on vlog. This is what that bell. Peanut butter, celery, raisins, salt, salt. But you know what? We're gonna add some of this goodness to it. Yeah, look at that. I'm in heaven. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm. One more, and I'll add with some food on it. Yeah, yeah. God, this is good. Last bite. Regular style. Mm. I have a minute and a half to get a really good burp out. This is what I can do. Go pee. Go pee. Oh, it's gonna be good, I can tell. Okay, let's go again. Celery in my teeth. Alright, one more burp and that's it for all. Thank you for watching. I know I'm gonna get a lot of hate on this video, as I always do when I'm disgusting, but you know what? This channel is ugly.